We are engaged. I still can't believe we're saying that. I am like on a high of all of the adrenaline that just like happened in the last like 12 hours. Like, if you haven't watched the video from the last video, please go watch it. It's definitely a very special video. I can't even believe that I have an engagement ring on my hand. I knew the day was gonna come, but like I just really didn't think it was gonna be this trip, and it was, and he did incredible, and he just pulled off like the biggest surprise ever, and yeah,
I did good.
You did so good. We actually get the previews for the photo shoot, the photographer today, and I'm really excited to see those. So she like showed us a bunch on the camera like as she was taking them, and they looked stunning, even just like raw footage or raw like pictures. So I can't wait to see them like in our hands, like on our phone, and just share with everyone. Like our families know and our friends that are here know, but other than that, texts. I know, like other than that, like my friends don't know, like my best friends don't know, so it's just wild.
The old ladies at the school are gonna be done harassing you.
I know. I work with a lot of people who know that we've been together for 10 years. We started dating when we were in high school. Like we were babies, and like I work with a lot of people that I had like growing up, so they just have like known, and I don't know, it's just, yes. I'm clearly like still like processing everything. I'm so sad because we're actually going out today to like Penel Island, which is like a little, like, it's not an excursion, but I'm not taking the ring with me. The ring is going to stay here in the Airbnb because I'm not going to risk, like, it's a beach day. We're not going to worry about it getting like wrecked. We're just going to leave it here. I'm going to put it in the ring box, and then we're going to hide it somewhere so we don't have to worry about it. But I'm so excited to like come back after and then get to put it back on. It's beautiful. Like I like did not sleep well last night because I was like so
she woke me
happy.
Twice.
I woke up at like 6 a.m. and it's been such a good trip so far. If you haven't watched the other videos from this series, make sure you go do so. He had the stomach bug. We got engaged. It's been just like a crazy last few days, and this is our third day here, and I feel like, I don't know, yesterday when we woke up, we said we feel like we hadn't been there. Yeah. We hadn't been here or done much because like you got sick, and now like today I'm like, so much has happened. Like so much has happened, but I love it. He did so good. I'm obsessed with it. It's perfect. It's my dream ring. It's everything. So yeah, anyway, we are going to Penel Island, so I don't know exactly like the process of getting over there. I think we do like... We
drive over to where the ferry is. Mm-hmm. Ferry runs every half hour, so like on the hour and the half hour. So like we'll leave at 9, 9:30, 10, etc. It only takes 5 minutes. So...
No, hopefully no drama me, because I got seasick when we were in Curacao last year. That boat ride was like almost an hour and a half though.
That one was longer, yeah.
That was tough. But we're excited. I heard there's like a seaweed problem happening right now. So we're hoping that we won't have to, because there's been some days recently where they're not able to boat people over to Penel Island because of the seaweed, but I think we should be good. I don't really see like much out there. If anything, I don't see any seaweed. But it might get worse. You can.
Yeah, it's the dark spots out there in the water.
Well, we'll let you know. If we have to pivot, we have to pivot, but I'm really excited. It's like such a small, tiny island, and there's like, I think there's restaurants out there.
There's a couple beach clubs.
Yeah, we rented some beach chairs.
Yes.
It should be a fantastic day. But yeah, like what? He did so good. Anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't watched any of the videos from the series, make sure you go do so. This is going to be a trip that we will never forget, and definitely a very special one. So show us some love. Show us some love. But yeah, let's go to Penel Island. We'll update you guys. We'll get some B-roll. We'll let you know how the process is and everything like that. But yeah, let's go have a beautiful day here in St. Martin. Oopsies. We're back from, what's it called? Penel Island?
Yes.
What did you think of Penel Island?
It was a lot of fun. It was a much calmer vibe than yesterday.
Yes. Apparently it's like down season here, so if you're interested in coming to St. Martin, April might be a good time.
I don't think it's the down season. I think we just missed the peak season. Like I think we're coming off of it being super busy, not like it's like.
Oh, I thought I heard someone say that.
I think it's busiest through like December through February, so it's like less busy now. But then like the dead season's like in a few months when it's like super hot.
Well, anyway, there was not a lot of people at Penel Island, like, at all. Basically, how the process went is that we drove, like, 7 minutes to, what was it called? Like, was it just a dock?
The dock, yeah, for the ferry.
Just the ferry dock, and we each paid $12 to get on the tiny little boat. It was, like, basically like a little tugboat.
Yeah, and ferry is a strong word. It's basically, like, more like a dinghy.
Yeah, it's like a dinghy. Like it's literally people. A 5-minute boat ride from the dock to the actual island, and that island was beautiful. Like, beautiful. Don't worry about getting seasick. I do, and it's literally a 5-minute boat ride, and it's like kind of like in the bay kind of area, so it's not like rocky. It was really, really easy to get to. They have very nice restaurant on the island.
There's
think it's two. One was called
Yellow Beach is what we went to. I don't remember what the other one was.
We ended up getting lounge chairs from Yellow Beach, which was like really cute. So my aesthetic.
Bring your own towels.
Yes, bring your own towels. We actually were unsure if we were going to do that, and then we did, and we were so glad we did because they didn't have towels to provide us. So we brought our towels. We sat in the really cute like yellow like lounge chairs. We each had our own. We hung out at the beach for a while. The water was beautiful. Like the scenic mountains in the back. You guys definitely saw it all in the vlog, but like truly beautiful. And then we ended up getting lunch from the yellow.
Yellow Beach has.
Exactly. We had a reservation for noon. We sat down. We got some food. I ended up getting a pepperoni pizza, and then they also got pepperoni pizza, and then we also.
You tried lobster.
Yes, I'm not a lobster girl, but it was really cool experience. Like if you're into that, like you were able to pick your own lobster and then like weigh it, and it was a cool experience. It seemed like a lot of people really like doing that, and like we are in like the Boston area, which is like known for like lobster
capital of the world.
Exactly. So the lobster in Boston is very different from the lobster here. So it was really cool getting to like just see the difference of how everything is. And I don't really love lobster, but I took a bite.
It was really good.
It was pretty good. But we are back. We are showered now. We spent about like a good chunk of our day there. Like, what time did we get back? Like 3?
Yeah.
Swam in the pool for a few. We are dressed. We are ready. We are heading out tonight to a place called Rancho Del Sol. We've driven by it a few times. It looks really cool. We didn't have a reservation tonight.
It was always kind of like a figure out what we want later on.
Yeah, like kind of explore, see if there's any restaurants on the way, like whenever we're going places to see if there was something like catching our eye, and this restaurant did, and I think it's going to be nice. Our reservation's for 7:15, it's like right after sunset, but yeah, I think right now Zach and I are going to go take some pictures downstairs, maybe a few little TikToks that I want to film just for like the memories and everything. But we've had a really, really good day so far. I was so tired at the beach because I like didn't sleep very well, like just with all of the adrenaline, and then I woke up so early, and then like I was tired on the beach. So I took 2 mini beach naps, and then immediately woke up from both of them and was like, it's hot, I need water. So yeah, literally, it was hot today. I will say the wind here has been like really nice, but we didn't really feel a lot of wind at that island. It was just hot. But I'm not complaining. We came here for the heat. That's what we're here for. But yeah, we're going to go downstairs, kind of get things together, chill for a bit, and then go out and then see where the night ends up taking us. I'm not sure what we're going to do. Last night we were all really tired, so I feel like we didn't really get like the chance to really like celebrate and everything. So maybe tonight's the night. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, we've had a really good day so far, and we'll take you guys along for the rest of our night. Hey! Hi!
You can't hear her.
Good morning. It is the next day. Typical Ashley and Zach fashion. We are finishing it the next day.
We are always either ready to go to bed or just forget, never getting it done.
I don't forget. I'm just too tired. And then know that in the morning I'll have more energy to finish it off, which happens every single time. But last night I actually was so tired. Like, we were sitting down in like the living room area and I just fell asleep. I was so tired. We had so much fun at dinner. It was like the food's been like good here. We haven't had anything that we're like, oh my gosh, this is like the best thing ever. But we've had like good food, and last night I think was the best food that we've had during the trip so far. It was really good. We ended up getting like the appetizer platter. It had a bunch of things on it. We all shared it. I ended up getting this like pizza with like goat cheese, and I love goat cheese, so it was so good. It did have like paper in it. I think it was like probably from like the bacon, because there was also bacon on it. So we like told our waitress it was really not that big of a deal. And then he got, what did you get?
I got a ribeye.
You got a ribeye?
Yes, and mashed potatoes, which was really good.
Love that. And then our friends told our waitress that we had just gotten engaged, which is I'm still processing that. And they put a song on like the loudspeaker in the restaurant. And they brought over like a sparkler. It was cute. I think we got a clip. I'm not exactly sure. I think our friend Kate got something. But what was the song?
We just kept. There was only one part that we kept remembering. It was "This is how I love you." But it played for like 5 minutes.
Literally, and everybody in the restaurant was confused.
They turned the music down, but didn't turn it off. So there's in the background you could quietly hear,
"This is how I love you."
It was very funny.
It was so funny. But we had some drinks there, and then we came back and like hung out for like 15 minutes, and then we were so tired and went to bed. We've had a slow morning this morning. We're gonna end the vlog here.
Yeah.
And then we'll start the next one, and we'll update you guys on what our plans are for the day. But we just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video. And yeah, it was a really, really fun day. It was our first official full day being engaged, and that's just crazy. It's like, I don't know, you've had more time to process that it was happening. I haven't, so I'm still processing everything. We still haven't gotten the pictures yet, so I'm really excited to get them. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We had such a good day in St. Martin. Honestly, Penel Island, do it. Highly, highly recommend. It was so much fun. And yeah, anything?
No, it was a great day.
Great day. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.